In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the 3DX9 underscore 30 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to update our Windows. Click on the start button and then you have to go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download and install the latest updates for your Windows. And then the second thing that we can do is to check for our system type. First, go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and then you have to click on the download link corresponding to your system type. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Double click on the setup file. If you haven't installed this into your Windows, just simply click on the license terms and conditions and click on install. But if you have already installed it, click on repair. Now once done, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Also consider to perform the SFC scan. So go to the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click run as administrator option on the right pane, type SFC space forward slash scan now. SFC space forward slash scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. Once completed, type exit in the command prompt window and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.